You know who am I? I am your science teacher. Already in the previous class we discussed matter. What is matter? Matter is a material which has mass and occupies volume. Matter is a material which has mass and occupies volume. This matter is classified, and classification of matter already we have discussed in the last class. But in the today's class, let us discuss matter. See here, matter. Matter is divided into mixture and pure substance. See here, matter which can be physically separated. If it is separated physically, it is called mixture. Matter, if it is separated physically, is called mixture. For example, sand and rice. It's a mixture where we can separate the sand from rice physically. So it is a mixture. And if the matter, if it cannot be separated physically, if matter is not separated physically, then it is called pure substance. If matter is not separated physically by physical means, it is called pure substance. Once again, comes back to mixture. Again, mixture is divided into two types. Mixture, if it has uniform composition, the particles in a mixture are uniform in size, then it is called homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. For example, you take water and milk. It's a mixture. And this mixture is homogeneous because water particles and milk particles are uniform in shape, uniform in size. So, if mixture is the composition uniform, then it is called homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. For example, add salt, table salt in water. We get a homogeneous mixture. Salt water is a homogeneous mixture. Sugar water is a homogeneous mixture. Alcohol mixed in water is a homogeneous mixture. So, a mixture in which the composition is uniform is called homogeneous mixture. All solutions. What is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more things. things. Next, if 1 gram of water is 1 gram of salt, then 1 gram of salt is 1 gram of water. If 1 gram of salt is 1 gram of salt, then 1 gram of salt is 1 gram of water. If 1 gram of salt is 1 gram of salt, then 1 gram of salt is 1 gram of salt. Next, if the composition is not uniform. A mixture in which the composition is not uniform, then it is called heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Just now I have told you, heterogeneous mixture means rice and sand. Rice and sand. It is a mixture where the composition is not uniform. Again, this is divided into two types: colloids, suspensions. Colloids and suspensions. Heterogeneous mixture is divided into colloids and suspensions. Next, here pure substance is divided into two types: compound and element. What is a compound? So, a pure substance which can be chemically decomposed, which can be chemically separated, is called a compound. Example, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a chemical substance which can be separated by decomposition. So it is called a compound. Another one is element, which cannot be separated chemically, which cannot be decomposed chemically, where there are only the same particles throughout the matter. It is called pure substance, or particularly it is called an element. Once again, let me repeat. Matter is a material which has mass and occupies volume, and matter is divided into two types: mixture and pure substance. Mixture means which can be physically separated. Again, this mixture is divided into homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means where the composition is uniform. Example, solutions. And another one is heterogeneous mixture, where the composition is not uniform. Heterogeneous mixture. Again, this heterogeneous mixture is divided into two parts. One is colloids, another one is suspensions. Suspension is a very good example. The very good example is people, when you go to a doctor, when you are suffering from cough or fever, he gives you a powder, say a syrup. On syrups, you can see suspension, where you can see the precaution: shake well before use. On a syrup bottle, you see the notice, what you call precaution: shake well before use. Before taking syrup, it must be shook well, because when it is kept aside, the solid particles settle at the bottom. Therefore, if you shake it well, all will come in contact. So that is a suspension. Next, pure substance. Pure substance is divided into a compound and an element. Pure substance which can be separated chemically by different methods is called a compound. Compound is also a pure substance, but it can be separated chemically, whereas an element also is a pure substance but cannot be separated by any way, by any method, by chemically, which contains only the same particles throughout the matter. That is an element. What is an example of an element? Oxygen. oxygen. Next, so it is what you call even it is a small class of 10 minutes, no problem. First of all, we try to understand this one well. If you have any doubts, you can make calls or send message through WhatsApp. Okay, and just see and understand what is the matter. All these things are already discussed matter. Thank you.